Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what's loose: clasp, end link, or spring bar. Once identified, remove the watch from your wrist and place it face down on a soft cloth. Use the smaller spring bar tool to compress the bar and probe both ends to see play. This shows whether the bar, hole, or clasp is the culprit. Keep parts organized in a tray and make sure to photograph the original alignment before you remove anything so reassembly matches the original fit. Once done removing the spring bars, examine each bar and the lug holes. Replace any bar with visible wear because a new bar restores tension. Next, address clasp looseness. Open the clasp and use the correct screwdriver to snug but not strip screws. If screws back out, add a tiny dab of low-strength thread locker. Then test each end link. If they rock, slightly bend the thin metal tabs inward with tweezers so they sit flush, and reinsert fresh spring bars. You reassemble by aligning end links and compressing spring bars until you hear the click. Make sure there's no lateral play by wiggling the bracelet. Once reattached, wear the watch and observe for 24 hours while moving your wrist naturally so any remaining looseness shows quickly. If the bracelet still moves or screws loosen, tighten again or swap parts. If the lug holes are widened or the clasp remains unstable, stop and take the watch to a professional for.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.